What up? Just getting a thumbnail really quick, don't mind me. All right, as you can see, I have separated the transmission from the engine. The engine is now on a stand. I've removed the main engine harness. It's chilling over there with the Koyo. And it looks like I'm an idiot and dented it a little bit. Damn it, Devontae. Oh well. Yeah, just wanted to make a quick little update here. It is Saturday night. I'm just trying to crank the videos out as I'm doing stuff because I catch myself working and not filming. And like I said, I wanted to capture all the stuff I do and not just make like one video of me buying the car and then one video of, oh, hey, it's done. So just trying to make as many videos of stuff as I can as I go along. So this is where I'm at right now. And I'll show you the bay. Did some painting. And I'll put a before and after picture. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I wish I could have kept the cream everywhere, but there was like paint chips, a lot of paint chips. There was some surface rust over there. There was a lot of rust down there, especially the battery tray area that was cut. So I taped it off and then hit it with black all over there. These braces are black. All of that got painted black. And then everything over there, same line. Same line. That's black as well. Yeah, so looks super good in my opinion. I also painted all the front exposed metal black, which looks way better than like surface rust and dirt and faded yellow. So I think that looks pretty good. But like I said, I'll show you some before and afters so you can judge for yourself. But I'm super pleased with it. Can't remember if I showed you guys the before and after of me cleaning it. I think I did. Anyway, the bay's pretty clean now. This is probably how it's going to stay. Although I am eventually going to get new hardware. I think I'm going to get titanium bolts and nuts for the entire bay. If not, at least stainless. So yeah, gonna do all that. So all the like surface rust bolts and stuff that kind of takes away from the aesthetic, I will be replacing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this video fairly short. I know my last, God, however many videos have been like 15 minutes long. I don't know if you guys like videos that long or not, but I'll try to keep this one short because I don't really have that much. Oh, there was some other stuff I wanted to show you though. Kind of good news in my opinion. So as I was taking the engine apart and breaking everything apart, it looks like everything on here was original. Even the clutch. And with the clutch being original, it still has pretty good life on it. So I think the 45,000 mile statement that was made for this engine is true, in my opinion. It does, I mean, the valve cover's faded or chipped, and it does have a lot of surface rust on like the metals, but it was probably just by the sea somewhere. But yeah, I mean, because this is the OG Nissan clutch and pressure plate and flywheel. Oh, you can't see, it's on the back side, and it has good health. It's still, why is it stuck? There. So that still has good life on it. So yeah, super happy to find that. No modifications of any sort on here. I think I was the first person to break apart the hoses and the clamps and all that. So that's a good sign to me. Super stoked on that. I did get some more parts, or I guess nothing too crazy, but this is what we're running in the gearbox like we talked about before. Got some MT90. This is the brake pedal stopper. So if this falls out, which is fairly common. Your brake lights will stay on. So this was 12 bucks because I wanted an OEM piece. I'm trying to do all OEM or better on this car. I don't like putting cheap Chinese knockoff shit on there. So yeah, got those two things in. Got like 30 other things coming, as you guys saw on the whiteboard. Already saw the Koyo rad. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch it. I hope you're enjoying the progress we're making. Let me know if there's something specific you want to see, whether you're working on an SR20 now or planning on working on it in the future and want to see me outline something. I will do that. Or if it's like easy wiring and stuff and where stuff goes, I can go over that as well. I'm kind of teaching myself, doing a lot of research. I'm fairly confident that it will be a decently easy install at this point, but super stoked. I'm really excited to drive this, but I'm trying not to let that take away from the experience of fully kind of refreshing the engine and doing this complete swap on my own. I want to enjoy the process. I don't just want to rush it and get to the driving stage. So, but yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you're having a good weekend. Later. Parts are slowly rolling in. Most of it should be here by tomorrow, but here's the HKS Sport catback. It's not the Canon, but it's sick. It's all black except for the tip. And it's probably a 3-inch oval tip is what it looks like. But yeah, looks sick. Apex integration intake, Grady oil filter, ISR fuel filter, valve cover gasket, and spark plug O-rings. That's the hardware for the HKS exhaust. Koyo rad, which you already saw. Castrol edge, that's what I'll be putting in the crankcase. And then Z-Rex by Valvoline. This is the coolant I'll be running. And then the MT90 for the gearbox. So the rest of the stuff should be here tomorrow, and I'll make a video of that. But also, I decided to order some more paint for the bay. So I took a second look at this and didn't think it looked as good as I wanted it to be, especially since we're gonna be completely redoing and painting the bare metal surfaces with aluminum paint and then having a white valve cover. So I'm gonna do a gloss gunmetal gray bay. And I'm gonna rattle can it, but I bet you it's still gonna look super good. So I'm doing the primer, duplicolor, acrylic enamel, gloss gunmetal, and then a duplicolor gloss clear. So I think it's gonna look super good. And it'll get rid of this kind of two-tone with the bed liner. I didn't think that it looked better than rust, but I think it's gonna look sick being all one uniform gloss gunmetal color. So yeah, just a small update there. And then I just got done removing the shitty lug nuts. The dude had like 3 different types of lug nuts and I had to find all the different keys. So I just got all those removed and installed a uniform set. Just standard black, open-ended lug nuts. Yeah, just slowly knocking stuff out, kind of just waiting for all the parts to get here because I can't really start one thing without having the other things. So once it all gets here, I'll get cracking on the install videos and I'll do a video painting the valve cover, doing the valve cover gasket, and then painting the block with the aluminum paint, and doing the belts and all that stuff before we drop it in. So yeah, just a quick update. It is Wednesday the 6th. I might make a video tomorrow, probably Friday or Saturday though, so stay tuned.